In 2018, there were over 5,000 injuries and 170 fatalities involving pedestrian accidents in Illinois. About 70% of these accidents occurred within the boundaries of Chicago. The majority of these cases were due to the negligence of drivers. Illinois law requires that drivers keep a proper lookout and yield to pedestrians to avoid hitting them. Despite these legal duties, we consistently see pedestrian accident cases involving drivers who are distracted by electronic devices, who may be looking for a particular street, or may be unfamiliar with the area. When cars and other vehicles strike pedestrians, the injuries can be significant. We represent people who have sustained injuries such as fractured bones, traumatic brain injuries, and even death. Even relatively low impact crashes can have major consequences for pedestrians. According to a study of 5,800 injured pedestrians examined in a California emergency room, a pedestrian hit by a vehicle traveling at 30 miles per hour had a 50% chance of dying. Most of the time, injuries to pedestrians are immediately apparent. However, there are situations where a person who is hit by a vehicle doesn't realize the extent of their injuries right away. They may feel some pain or soreness, but the shock of the accident masks the true extent of the injury. As a result, if you are injured in a pedestrian accident, it is essential to get medical attention immediately so they can examine you and address any injuries that you have sustained. Getting medical attention soon after an accident also preemptively addresses a situation where an insurance company for a driver who hit you attempts to question the validity of your injuries. If you or someone you love has been injured in a pedestrian accident in Chicago or elsewhere in Illinois, I would urge you to get medical attention. I also encourage you to meet with a lawyer who can advise you of your legal options for pursuing a personal injury case.